This weather report brought to you by Secure Storage Cairns.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. We're settling into a classic autumn trade wind pattern this week. Showers are already cranking in the tropics, and by Wednesday they'll spread right down to the southeast as well. Some pretty good rain overnight. We had 77 millimetres at Bucklands. The Boulders had 61 mils. Up in Cooktown we got 37, Mount Sophia 33 mils, and even Daintree picked up 17. 29 degrees atop in Cairns today, cooler than recent days thanks to cloud, but just average for April, and a very warm night on 25. Let's start with the satellite loop now. Two main areas of cloud today, the North Tropical Coast where it's been showering quite heavy, and also the Whitsunday coast, a lot lighter, but it's been quite regular through the day. Moving south, it's been generally dry. On today's chart, firstly, in the tropics, you can see this offshore trough, and there's a low that's awfully close to the Whitsundays, and that's what's been enhancing showers in the two wet tropic patches. Of course, in the Townsville area, it's generally dry because it's protected from the exposure to the southeast wind. And we've also got a high coming in from the Bight. Now, on tomorrow's chart, that high consolidates, pushes the lows out of the way, increases the ridge of high pressure along the coast. A dry day mostly, except for the North Tropical Coast, but by Wednesday, showers increasing in the southeast. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Cairns waters, south to southeast winds reaching 25 knots at times tomorrow, mainly in the north, 2 metres swell. Up to 25 knots again on Wednesday, and possibly reaching strong force on Thursday, up to 30 knots. Tomorrow marks the midway point between first quarter and full moon, which means the tidal range is growing, but not that big just yet. First up tomorrow, we've got high tide. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers tomorrow with inland thunderstorms. Cairns 31 degrees, 27 for Atherton, Innisfail 29, Mareeba 30. Looking ahead for Cairns, showers rolling in pretty consistently this week with daily rainfall totals up to around 15 mils, hopefully easing for the Easter weekend. For Atherton, it'll be that little bit cooler, dropping probably down to about mid-20s by the weekend, with showers coming and going. We've seen an abundance of natural catastrophes around the world this year, so tonight I thought I'd explain tsunamis. Tsunamis begin with an underwater earthquake, a sudden shift in the seabed that sends a small ripple up to the surface. The ripple travels the ocean at great speed, barely noticeable with its long, gentle rise and fall. But as it approaches land, the shallow water slows it down, forcing it to bank up and grow taller. The wave breaks at maximum height when it reaches the shore, pushing seawater hundreds of metres inland. That's it from me, folks. Have a nice evening, and I'll catch you soon.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. That wraps it up. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.